Welcome. Today, let's walk through the updated steps to allow location access on your Facebook app. Granting Facebook access to your location enables features like check-ins, local recommendations, and a more personalized experience. If you want to make sure Facebook can use your device's location, just follow these simple steps. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control permissions for all your apps, including Facebook. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to see the full list of installed apps on your phone. Now, look for the Facebook app in this list. You can usually find it quickly by scrolling alphabetically or using the search bar at the top. Once you spot Facebook, tap on it to open the app's settings page. Inside the Facebook app settings, you'll see an option called Permissions. Tap on Permissions to view all the different features Facebook can access, like your camera, contacts, and, of course, your location. Find the location option in this list and tap on it. Here you'll see several choices for how Facebook can use your location. Select Allow Location Access. Depending on your phone, you might see options like Allow only while using the app, Allow all the time, or Deny. Choose the level of access you're comfortable with. But to fully enable location-based features, select either Allow all the time or Allow only while using the app. That's it. You've now successfully enabled location access for Facebook. With these settings, Facebook can provide you with local content, help you check in at places, and suggest nearby events or friends. If you ever want to change this in the future, just revisit these steps and adjust the permission as needed. Remember, you're always in control of your privacy and can update your location settings anytime. Thanks for following along. Now you're ready to make the most out of Facebook's location features.